Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 5 English Plus 1 workbook on page 8. We are on Starter Unit, Vocabulary. So today we are going to learn basic adjectives. Activity 1, look at the pictures, complete the words. So number 1, already given example, new. And then number 1, so this bike is old, so O-L-D, old. And number 2, compared to this woman, he is small, so S-M-A-L-L. And then the third pictures, so we have this about 8 million pound. So for this stuff here, so this is considered very expensive, so expensive. And number 4, so maybe I maximize it a bit. Number 4, so this is manga, so we have this Chinese word too. So manga, this is comic, so this is interesting. Interesting. And then we have this one, so maybe they are singers, so popular. And then we have this lady here, so boring. And we have this creature here, so this is horrible. So horrible, double R, and then B-L-E. So next we go to activity 2. So maybe I maximize it again. So number 2, complete the dialogues with the words. So photography is a good hobby. Yes, it's very interesting. So number 1, this bag is a present for you, Mom. I really like it. It's very, so this is nice. And number 2, is your book interesting? No, it isn't. It's really slow and boring. So next, number 3, is that camera expensive? No, it's quite. So this is the opposite or antonym of this expensive. So the answer is cheap. And number 4, I like basketball. It's really fast. Yes, I'm not into. So this is unpopular sports. They are boring. So unpopular. No. So this is opposite of fast. So this is slow. So slow, sorry. So slow sports, they are boring. So maybe other sport can be slow. And number 5, that video game is very popular with students. Yes, but it's, so the opposite of popular, so we have unpopular. Unpopular with teachers and parents. And then number 6, your brother's mobile phone is very good. No, it isn't. It's really, so good, the opposite of good is bad. So we have left 2. So we have slow, get another 2. So are your speakers new? No, there. So the opposite of new is old. So old. And number 8, I really like this bag. It's okay, but it isn't very big. It's quite. So the antonym of big is small. And then next we go to activity 3. Activity 3, complete the text with the words. I like this cool laptop, but it isn't my laptop. It's my dad's. My old computer is slow, but my dad's. So this is new. So opposite of old is new. My dad's new laptop is very. So the opposite of slow is fast. This laptop is. So this is big. So it's only 20 cm times 30 centimeters. But my computer is very small. And then the next paragraph, this laptop is good for games. Good for games, but my computer is quite bad. I love all the games. So we have this popular. Popular games, Flappy Bird, Minecraft, and Candy Crush Saga. I've only got this laptop for today, and it's okay with my dad. Thanks, Dad. So next we go to activity 4. So activity 4, complete the sentences with not very, quite, very, or really, and adjectives from this page. So this is adjective, and we have this one, this word here, very. So number 1, my friend is, so I can use not very. So this is up to you, so I will choose outgoing. And then full stop. Okay, maybe I maximize it a bit. My friend is not very outgoing. Number 2, my cousin is, so I will use quite. Quite, okay, maybe clever, so I use intelligent. So intelligent, we have double L here. Intelligent. And number 3, our school is, so very, so maybe clean. And number 4, shopping is really, so really enjoyable. Enjoyable. And then sport on TV is, so I use back quite entertaining. And then we have number 6, my favorite film is, so maybe not very. Popular, so just maybe. And then London is, really, vibrant, V-I-B-R-A-N-T, vibrant. And the last one, new computers are very, so I would say efficient. So efficient. So make sure you spell it correctly. So efficient. We have double F, and then we also have two I's here. So meaning this I. So efficient. So that's it for this page. So we have this page 8 of year 5 English +1 workbook. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here, and then you can watch the related contents here. And then right below this video there's a link, you can click it, you can join my Telegram bot for free.